Hey guys, you're watching Real Tease Fishing TV. Today we are going out here to see how we do. We're picking up our stone crab traps. We have 10 traps between me and my buddy George, which you're going to see in the video soon. He's the one that does most of the pulling. And let's see how we do.
Don't get me struggling.
I'm getting it all, man. Oh yeah, we got some crawlers, baby.
Crabs.
We got some crawlers.
See at least one keeper. Oh baby. So we got 4 keeper claws.
What?
At least. Oh, someone got attacked in there. Not an expert, but what we're normally looking for is a nice sandy area that's either surrounded by rocks or some grass or somewhere they can hide. Try to put it in the middle of the sand so it's nice and clear when we pick up and we're not damaging the environment as we're trying to catch these crabs.
Go to the right.
Got one going.
Got one.
Got one. Looks thick. Thick. Oh yeah.
I'll take it.
I see that.
Minute.
I see it. It's been mean already. On this side.
And then let
Where's the
it
camera? I gotta measure that one. Good.
I'm gonna start pushing us out that way for the next set.
Oh, I think we got skunked on this one. Oh,
No,
no, we got
they were in the cup.
We're in the cup. I'm the big one. I want that. That guy has? Oh wait, there's one more. What is up? Got a big one.
Yeah?
Oh yeah. Telling you the sticks. Sticks me da un duro.
Boy, on low tide, that thing must have been out of the water.
Close. It's not out.
Huh?
Ooh. One keeper. Yeah.
Hey, boy.
We got a crusher and we got the cutter.
Oh, that's good. Which one first?
There's one more in there, but I don't know if it's good.
Crabs.
Yeah, so
Two of them, I think.
I think three.
Three?
I think three. They're all small though, I think.
It's a good sign. What's this crab?
2 stones and 1 blue.
How big's the blue?
Not a keeper.
Eating size? No. Good to go offshore. Might have a claw there.
Maybe this guy, huh?
Might have two. One on each.
Oh, maybe one. Oh shit. Teamed up on me. Hey, I was short one below. You said 2 pounds, right? Yeah, how they crab? Yeah, you're right ahead. 2 in there. Oh, some big ones.
That's a haul right there, boys.
Oh, yes. At least 4 claws coming out of here.
This one's a big one.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31!
Oh boy.
I was right today.
Good day today.
31, baby. Woo! A successful day. Best day we've had so far this season. Ended up with 31. See if we can break that record next time.